Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be sharing with you guys my Octoly haul. So the first product is by Lancome and it's the Renegie Lift Action Ultra SPF 30 that retails for $99. This is a oil-free, non-greasy moisturizer with SPF 30. It also lifts, firms, and reduces the appearance of wrinkles and corrects dark spots for visible younger skin. I've been using this product for over 4 weeks. I apply it every morning before stepping outside. I love that it's lightweight. I also do have oily skin, but I haven't noticed this increasing any of my oiliness. I have noticed my skin being more firm and my skin has been having a nice natural glow. Next, I got the Urban Decay Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. This spray retails for $32. This product claims that it will keep your makeup looking fresh for up to 16 hours without melting, fading, or settling into fine lines. I really do like this product and I do feel my makeup looks fresh during the day. Definitely keeps makeup from fading throughout the day also. The only con that I have is that it has a pretty strong alcohol scent. But other than that, I do recommend it. Next, I got the Sleek Under a Spell eyeshadow palette. This palette is an Ulta exclusive that retails for $12.99 and it's currently on sale for $9.74. The palette comes with 12 eyeshadows. It has 4 mattes and the rest are shimmers. This is my first time trying Sleek makeup and I was pretty impressed with the pigmentation, especially since Sleek is known to be an affordable brand. I also got the Major Matte Ultra Smooth Matte Lip in the shade Fandango Purple. This retails for $7.99 and it's currently on sale for $5.99 at Ulta. Once it dried down on the lips, it was very comfortable and it was very pigmented. Next, I also got the Live Glam Valentine's Lip Set. If you are not familiar with Live Glam, they have a monthly subscription for $19.99 a month. You get 3 new long-lasting lippies. It's free US shipping and for international it's $3.99. For the month of February, you got 2 liquid lipsticks and 1 lip gloss. I felt that the formula was comfortable on the lips. I also liked this month's packaging. It has a baby pink lid with a frosted tube. The lipsticks were very pigmented. The gloss was the one that I wasn't very impressed with. I think you can hardly see the specks of glitter, even though it was comfortable and it was not like a very sticky gloss. So this completes my Octoly haul. If you're not familiar with Octoly, it's kind of like a program. If you're an influencer with more than 1,000 followers on Instagram, I'm not sure how many subscribers you're supposed to have. You could get free makeup products or beauty products and all you have to do is post an honest review and that's basically it. So if you're interested, I'll go ahead and link them down below. And also I wanted to thank all the brands for sending me these products for review purposes. And I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.